Hey everyone, my name is Clarence J. Cagulang and we will discussing how to get gyro error, compass error, present variation, and deviation. And we have this value, gyro heading 090 degree and compass heading 081 degree, and the relative bearing is 350 bearing, and this variation 7 minute is 2019, 3 minute is, and the true bearing is 075 degree true. Gyro heading is 090 degree and the relative bearing is 350 degree, and add is equal to 440 degree minus 360 degree is equal to 080 degree, and the true bearing is 075 degree, and 080 degree and 075 degree minus and is equal to 5 degree is to gyro error, and the gyro heading is 090 degree is equivalent to 0.95 degree west, and the true heading, and the compass heading is 081 degree minus is 014 degree is equal to 7 minute, 2 minute is west, and the compass error and variation minus is equivalent to 6.8 degree is, and the deviation, and the present year 2023 and the variation year is 2019 minus is 4 years year interval, and the annual change is 3 minute is, and the total change is 12 minute is or 0.2 is, and the base variation 7 minute is, and the present variation is 7.2 minute is.